Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and this is for the beginner crochet. And now the next step after learning how to do the slip knot, the chain stitch, the single crochet, so the next one is double crochet. So today we are going to learn this, how to do a double crochet. Okay, so first we are going to do a slip knot. Next we are going to do a chain stitch, and I will do about, let's say, 15 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now to do the double crochet, first we are going to yarn under and just carry the thread like this. Now I will not insert the hook as I did for the single crochet at the second one, but at the third one. Okay, so for the single crochet I was inserting the hook at the second stitch, 1, 2 here, right? But for the double crochet I will yarn under and I will insert the hook at the third stitch, so 1, 2, 3 at the third stitch, carrying the yarn, the thread. So insert, yarn under again, pull through, and if you see, now you are going to have 1, 2, 3 loops. Now yarn under and pull through for the first 2 loops, see, 1, 2, and then again yarn under and pull through for the other 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Okay, so how we did it? One more time, yarn under and we will carry this. Now at the next stitch insert the hook, yarn under, pull through and balance like this, so you will carry them properly. Now you have 1, 2, 3, you have 3 loops, yarn under, pull through and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn under, pull through, so the next 2 loops. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Yarn under and carry. The next stitch insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, balance, yarn under, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn under, pull through the last 2 loops. This is a double crochet. So let's just practice. Yarn under and carry the thread, insert the hook at the stitch, yarn under, pull through, balance, yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through the last 2 loops. So let's do it one more time. So now after you have done this, of course the first time is not easy, but you just keep practicing, and it will just make you really professional at crocheting. So let's just finish the whole row. crochet, and now I want to show you how you can turn the corner. Okay, so we just work on the way back. So first I will do 2 crochet. I will crochet 2 chains, so chain 1 and chain 2. Then I will turn around like this, and I will just keep doing the same as I did before. Yarn under and carry this thread, and then I will just insert the hook where I have this, you can see here, here, here. Okay, so this is the place where you insert the hook. So insert the hook, yarn under, pull through, yarn under, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn under, pull through the last 2 loops. So the next one, where we are going to insert, we are going to insert here. So yarn under and carry, insert the hook, and yarn under, pull through, yarn under and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn under and pull through the last 2 loops. So just keep doing this. Okay, let's do it together. Okay, so this is how you just turn to do the turn and to do the next row. Okay, let's do the whole row, and I will meet you at the end here. Okay, so here it is. I did the second row, and as you can see, this is how we do a double crochet. So if you are new to my channel, I have this kind of projects coming every week, more or less, and I hope you like it and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And for everybody else who is already a subscriber and is watching this, thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up, and please share this video if you enjoyed it, and thank you.